Activities like weekly meetings, monthly reports, or sprint ceremonies are essential, but manually cloning them every time is time-consuming and easy to forget. What if you could set up a recurring task just once? Activity Timeline transforms the way you handle repetitive tasks. Just click on your timeline, fill in the details like the event name, and assign it to an individual or an entire team. Now, click the Recurrence button. Here you can customize the frequency, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, and with a single click, your recurring task is scheduled for everyone, ensuring consistency and saving you countless hours. Activity Timeline keeps everyone on the same page. The recurring event automatically appears in each team member's personal workspace, giving them a clear view of their schedule and upcoming responsibilities. These events are factored into your team's workload, helping you track capacity and prevent resource overallocation. Tracking your recurring tasks is just as easy. Navigate to the Reports section to get an overview of all your recurring activities. You can easily analyze and review how often these events occur and how much time they consume. To make a view even more granular, use a side Customize Report panel and adjust filtering options on the go. Need to share data or conduct further analysis? All reports can be quickly exported to Excel, giving you complete transparency and aiding in future planning. Stop wasting time on manual repetition. Automate your workflow, boost your team's productivity, and ensure important activities never get missed. Try Activity Timeline today and transform the way you manage recurring tasks in Jira.